Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to our new Forex video that we post every Wednesday. And today's video we are going to talk about Theresa May, the previous Prime Minister of the UK. Okay?
Yes.
So as you know guys, she was before she was a very talented woman, a very successful woman in the UK, very well known to be I think it's the Prime Secretary of the state, right, for a long time. And she also studied in Oxford University, right? Right. So what happened here? After the Brexit, she has to deal with the pact between the European Union and the UK. The UK left the European Union in 2016, right? And after that, they are dealing with the thing that they had to make the contract for the exit of this.
The easy way to understand is how they live. It's for sure they live and how they live, with contract or without contract.
Right. They will live for they already live for sure the European Union. But now what's in the topic is, are they going to make a contract, and what are the conditions of this contract? Okay, let's say the UK wants to leave the European Union, but of course they want the good relationships with all the neighbor countries, right? Let's say with the European Union. You can't just leave the union, let's say like this, and be like the enemy of all the other countries, you know? So that's why they need policies, conditions, terms, the contract for after leaving. The thing is, it seems not to be an easy job, right? For the Prime Minister. So that's why for this woman, Theresa May, has been very tough all this time. And what do you think? What do you think about her government?
Yes, for the last maybe 3 years, Theresa May all do I think it's kind of one job for how help the UK leave the European Union,
right,
for the softly, not hardly. But it's nothing move on. But we see the news, she quit, and until the next Prime Minister come. Right now, I think it's empty here.
Right.
And also we see the British pounds is fall down a lot, which means
it fell down a lot.
Yeah, the value of the British pounds is decreasing right now.
It's decreasing.
But for maybe this week, we seem a little bit go up, but it's not for long term. Also, we saw the news. Trump. Right now it's in the UK.
Yeah, she's visiting the
United States,
the
UK. Yes. And we don't know what's exactly
the Queen.
Yeah, his opinion or his wants. Maybe some political visitor.
Yeah, but it seems like he's not very welcome there.
Yes, not very welcome. And also he want to find some co-worker.
Right.
We know right now, more than 8 people want to be a president of the UK.
So there are 8 candidates
to
be the Prime Minister of the UK.
But we don't know yet who will be.
Right.
Maybe right now.
Who's
Trump,
the favorite?
Yeah. Right now, Trump want to say some co-worker. Yeah. And right now, the famous one is called Jackson, I think.
Okay.
People. Yeah.
The most famous one.
But we don't know yet right now.
Okay. Okay. So
maybe in the future, but right now it's very hard to say. Who knows?
Right. It's an indecision now. We are in a period of we don't know either what will happen with the future of the Prime Minister of the UK. So we don't know who will be this person. Another important topic here. Maybe it's not that related to Forex, but it's about society. Let's say Margaret Thatcher was the first Prime Minister of the UK. The second one is Theresa May.
Yes.
What happened here? Her government was not her government performance was not that good.
Yes.
So, is there any conflict with woman as a leader? What do you think? I think there is a society problem, but it's weird because we are talking about a developed country like the UK, or let's say England and the other countries.
Yeah.
So what's happening here?
They have queen already. Yes.
We're talking about Europe,
Yes, but for the humankind, we also call manpower during our history. So that's why man may take the power, but not female. But Theresa May is the second, prime minister in the UK. Some other political maybe not so comfortable with being led by a female. This is why you said about
politicians.
Yes, but politician, the society maybe. Right. So that's why Theresa May try to do something good thing for the UK, but not follows. All the against. Yes.
As I know, before I listen many programs that talk about Theresa May, and some people who worked with her before, even some like college classmates, they say that they don't know, they never know was her thinking, what she was thinking about, and even like her ideas when she was the Secretary of the State.
Yes.
So that's telling you that she has a lack of leadership. So maybe that's the real problem, but it's not because she's a woman or a man. No. This person maybe has a lack of leadership, and she doesn't know how to make up problems. And actually, this problem of the Brexit and the UK deal or contract with the European Union I think it's a very difficult problem. It's not something like very simple, like anyone can
yes, that's right.
Can manage.
Also, the European Union gives them a deadline in the August, I think. August. It's maybe 3 or 4 more months. Yeah, but if the next parliament doing the job with contract to soft leave the European Union, I think it's being good for the British pounds. If they are going to leave hardly or without any contract, the UK maybe go mess. I think. We refer to the currency pair. The British pounds maybe fall down again, maybe. So this is why we need we need to see. We need thinking about who will be the next and what's the political, who will be leave the European Union. We need to see until end of this month.
Right.
Yes.
So right now maybe it's not the really good moment to invest.
Yes, because we don't know the result and who will be. Different people have different opinion.
Right.
Yes, but we don't know yet. And also we can coming back for the currency pair. We can see for the here. Yeah. Let's see the British pounds. We see in the past maybe 2 months, the British pounds continue fall down a lot. Right now, they had a little bit come back, but it's not very strong. So today it's go up a little bit and fall down again.
Oh, it closed.
Yes.
It's closing very low.
Yes. Also, we should some kind of the.
Is there any resistance there?
Yes, just a second.
Oh, you are using Fibonacci.
Yeah. Last week, we already know the lowest point, but it's continue fall down.
Right.
We have another new low record.
Right.
So we take Fibonacci again with the highest point, lowest point, and we see how they come back. As we know, right now the price is around 1.2700, around there. This is a very weak comeback. The first support it will be in the 1.2800.
Right.
Yes, it's maybe 100 bits to go. If the price going back a little bit and falling down again, I think maybe British pounds may take a new lowest record.
Right.
So that's why here it's very difficult to do the trade. It may go up, also may go down.
Right.
Yes. This is the British pounds right now. This is a kind of situation we have. Also, if we're going back, see the currency pair, we are talking about the United States dollar.
US dollar.
Yeah, we see. Just a second. We see during the last 2 or 3 days, the price going down a lot.
Went down a lot.
Yeah. What's the reason? Because the federal government, the chairman person, they said in the future, maybe in the September, the federal maybe cut the interest rates. And right now the market consider the percentage is more than 90%. It's almost for sure. So that's why the US dollar is fall down a lot. Because as we know, if some country going increase the interest rate, the price will goes up. If the federal government decrease the interest rate or interest rate cuts, the price will fall down. So this is why the price for the dollar index going back a lot. So right now the support point is around 97. It's almost be there. So yesterday is also there. If the price continue fall down, we will see the lowest support. It's like 200 movement line. It's around 96. Around 96.
Right.
Yes. So
that's the second support, right?
Yes. So right now we see the 97 is being very important. We see the chart. Maybe it's kind of during last 3 months. The price is almost stand up on the 97. Right now, if in the future the price going down, which means before the dollar index is going strong and move up, and if price going down to the 97, below the 97, they are changing the meaning. Before it's powerful, it go up. Right now it's going weak and going down, fall down again. So this is the important point, 97 point. Here. So we see today maybe during this week, and also we know in Friday, it's very important for the unemployment rate or unemployment change, the number of change. It's very important in the market. We see how it's going.
How about euro? What's happening with euro?
As we know, the dollar index is continue falling down.
Right. We know that.
It's for sure the euro going up. They are always opposite way.
Right.
We see here two lowest point is very close. It's around 1.1100. One lowest point, another lowest point, the third. It's very close to the lowest point. Yes. Because here I said it's 1.1100. It's getting support for the euro, and the next one is going up. we see right now the price is around 1.21260. Maybe it's around there.
It jumped
because the US dollar fall down. So right now it's also very important point here. We see in the history for the last maybe 1 or 2 months, this is the highest point. Highest point.
Yeah.
Also, we're very close to here. Even it's a little bit higher, but it doesn't matter.
Still close.
It's still close. So 1.1100 is being support.
Right.
The pressure is around there. 1.26. Like,
is it a good chance to sell? No.
We see.
We need to wait.
We need to wait because this time the US dollar may going down.
Right.
Yes. Because we know in the future the federal government will cut the interest rate. It's just only the beginning. Also, we remember for the last maybe 2 or 3 years ago, the federal government used the QE. Like they support a lot of money in the market. We know if the market has a lot of new money coming, the value of the money will decrease.
Okay.
The price of the dollar index will fall down. So this time it's very similar to the past.
Right.
So we need to see if the federal government continue to doing the interest rate cut, and also doing the QE, support the money by the fund. I think dollar index will fall down a lot,
and euro
will go up for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now we should wait until the Friday.
Until Friday.
Yes.
Okay. How about the other? Do you want to share
currency?
Other currencies like Japanese yen?
Yes, for sure. I remember last week we are talking about the support line. It's around 109.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the price going down. And I said, if the price going down, the next support will be the 108.
Can you show us the second support here?
You see, this is the last week. I said the support line 109.
Yeah.
And if below this point is around say here 108, we see today, yesterday, and the last Friday, the price fall down, all the get support on the 108.
Right.
Which means on this line, the Japanese yen get support.
Yeah.
And in the future time, the price may goes up. Last support, now it's become changed to the pressure.
Why in the future should go up? Why? What's the reason? Yeah.
First of all, I said for the Japan, they do the trade for the output. If the country want to do the business with the output, they must decrease the value of the money. It's good for this country. So this is why in the long term, the Japanese yen going be decreased is better for this country. This is the first reason. And the second reason, if the dollar index is get support in the short term for the 97, the dollar index going up also will take Japanese yen goes up. So if in the future it may be the price continue fall down, but we see in here it's around 110.60 and go to the 108. It's fall down a lot. In the future, if the price continue going down, the price must going up and fall down again.
Reach the roof.
Reach the roof.
And go down again.
Yes. Also, I said the last week it's a 109 is support. For right now, it's changed to the pressure, being the roof. 108 and being the support. If in the future the price continue falling down, it may be another support. It's around 105.
Okay.
It will be decreased a lot.
Okay.
Yes.
So, How about gold and oil?
Yes, we see. We see the gold price is continue to go up a lot because I just said for the reason of the dollar index. The federal government may cut the interest rate. This is the main reason. The market think maybe it will take risk. So if the value of the dollar decreased, who will be the next valuable assets?
Right.
It will be the gold. So that's why in this market, most people prefer to buy the gold. So the price will go up. And it's already, right now, it's above the 1,330. It's very high. We need to consider the last highest point is around 1,400. It's 1,346. This is the history for the close one. History the highest point. Right now the price is goes up and going to meet last highest point. So the price maybe we will see in the future in the 1,346 is around there. But other one is we see the bar chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's already 6 trade day. The price goes up. And in the future, how many power left? We don't know yet. Everything in every market, the price goes up. Must have some reason. If the price goes down, it can be no reason. Price can fall down. As we know, the price for the gold goes up is about the federal government
because of the USD.
But in the future, it's more information or more good news for the gold. We don't know yet.
Right?
So that's why if the price goes up again, I think in the short term it may fall down. It's just like the people. If you want to jump very high, you must.
Oh, you have to. Okay, I know. Fall and then jump.
Fall and then jump.
Right.
Yes. So this is the reason why the gold price maybe in the short term will falling down a little bit. Yes. Also another, like the technique speaking, is like the bullion part. Bullion part. The price is already jump out to the bullion. So in the short term, it may going back and following this trick. Yes.
Okay, so you say if the price will go up again or more in the future, first it's like a person, right? If you want to jump high, you have to bend your knees and then jump. So when you bend, that means that if you do the comparison, the price will go down for a little bit and then jump again.
Yes.
Okay. So for now we don't know what will happen, right?
Yes.
So we cannot recommend to buy or sell at this moment.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Yes.
So how about oil?
Yes. Let's see the chart for oil. We see the oil. It's different situation with just like the gold. Gold is continue go up, and the oil price is continue fall down. The reason is the market or the world consider in the future Chinese, UK, America, they continue to the trade war. It maybe slow down is the economy goes up. Because if we are going to war, no matter what kind of war, for your basement established, it may slow down. We may not need a lot of oil. Also for the number recorder for the storage it's been a lot. So which means in the short term, in the United States, may not purchasing a lot of oil for their support. So this is why the price falling down. Also, we are talking about the gold previously, and I have another point of view. In the future, we already know the federal government will cut the interest rate.
Yeah.
It's for sure.
They already announced.
Yeah, it's for sure the dollar will fall down.
Yeah.
If the government or the federal government don't want the dollar index fall down very fast, they may control the price. How they control?
Yeah, how they control?
We see right now the gold price is going up a lot.
Yeah.
They can control, make the gold price fall down.
Okay.
We see if the gold price fall down, it will support the dollar.
Yeah.
This is the
How can they make the oil price go down?
The gold price.
The gold.
Yeah.
Sorry, the gold.
It's for sure. Right now we see in the United States is the biggest storage there amount.
Yeah.
It's around 8,000 tons in the United States.
Wow.
They can in the market going to sell. If more people sell the gold, the price for sure it will decrease.
Oh, I see.
You see?
Okay.
So the power of the money of the dollar, they can control the euro, can control the gold, also they can control the oil price.
I see.
Yes. Right now the oil price continue to fall down. It's a lot of reason, but we see this is our like the daily user. We cannot use. How to say? We cannot leave the oil for the daily life. But it's different situation for the gold price. The price is going to high. We can decide it. We are not going to buy. But no matter the oil price is higher or lower, we need it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
No matter you drive or not, the city needs oil.
Right.
The bus needs oil. Everywhere needs oil.
The demand is there.
Yes, demand is there. No matter the price higher or lower. So right now we see. Right now it's getting support. It's around like 52. The below that the support is 50. So I can recommend if in the future the price of the oil go back within the 50, below the 50, it's good choice to investment.
This the other support?
50? Yeah, 50.
Oh, 50. How do you know if it's 50? It's not this one.
It's going to the history.
How about this one? These two levels?
No. This is short term because in the long term we can see here. We can see here. In the long term, I do the calculation.
Okay.
If the price below the 50, it's good thing for investment because in the future the price will go up for sure. Also, we can see the company made oil. No matter how much in the market they are going to sell, for this recommend highest price is good for them. Also, we know in the Middle East country, lots of rich people there. What kind of materials they going to be rich? It depends on oil. If the price is continue going to lower, they may bankrupt. So they don't want to do that. So no matter how they will think about make the price goes up, it's maybe good for them and good for everyone doing the oil business. So we already know right now it's 52. Okay, it's the support, and below it is 50, and the upper arm is 54. So it's right now it's movement around 52 to the 54. It's very short, but I also said in the future if the price below the 50,
50.
It's good for investment.
Investment. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So, thanks, Ray.
Yes.
If you want to add something else, you can just tell me. It's very nice to know about the oil analysis gold. Now we know what's happening with USD index. It's going down, right? And we know why the USD just went down these days. And we also know that the GBP is also in a very strange situation because of this prime minister case, right?
Yes.
So, but anyway, it's still going down, right?
Yes.
That's the case. And euro is just behaving the opposite than USD.
Yes.
So in this case, in the short term, it's also going up. Is there any commodity or currency pair we can trade this week?
Right now I cannot find it. We need to wait.
We need to wait.
Patient. Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing about forex, guys. We have to be patient, but at least we have a lot of new information. So thanks, Ray, for this week analysis, and we'll see you guys next week. Okay?
Yes.
Have a nice week and a nice weekend.
Yeah. See you next week.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.